Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Honda CBR650F. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. It's only one form of keeper. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It's also data tagged, so we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. This does have ABS on it. It's got the carbon fibre effect mudguard on the front as well. So let's get a look at the condition of the side plastics. Good look at the fairing. It's in a nice metallic silver grey. Let's get a look at the engine on it, condition inside there. Let's get a look at the side of the tank and the side of the seat. The plastics at the back. Again, it's got the carbon fibre effect mud hugger in there. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket. You can see the data tag sticker on there as well. So let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Got the tank protector on there, another data tag sticker. Let's move over to the back of the bike. Let's do the same over on the right hand side. So we'll get a look at the side of the tank. I'll just move the handlebars over so you can see the whole of the tank. On the side of the fairing. Looking at the engine as well. Let's go look at this back wheel, see if we can see the pads. Plenty on those pads. Let's get a look low down. And we'll finish off on this front wheel at the right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the dash and controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's take a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter on that side. And over on the other side you've got your clutch, your lights, indicators, horn and hazards. You've also got the Oxford heated grips on there. Just turn the ignition on, I'll just show you these work. So basically just press your plus on it, so you've got 5 settings, 30%, 40, 50, 75 and then up to 100% on there. And then back to off. So we'll get a look at the mileage as well on this. It's done just 3,990 miles, so it is very low mileage. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.